Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Clairol Root Touch-Up Color Blending Gel, and I received this from Influenster to try out and review it, and I got it in the shade medium brown, so hopefully it's a match for me. This is a semi-permanent, it lasts up to 10 shampoos, and it's for touching up grays in between your colors, your colorings. It comes with the color, and then it comes with the instructions and a pair of gloves. And I'm mainly going to be focusing on some gray I have around my roots. I'll do a close-up and show you. So I put a towel on to make sure my clothes were protected, and inside there's 2 pairs of gloves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put those on. So as you can see, there's a brush applicator, and the color looks really dark. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna do my full part, just a little bit around my hairline. And now we wait 10 minutes. This stuff really smells like regular hair dye. It's the real thing. So I gotta be careful. I try to wipe off any that I got on my skin. So I'm gonna go by the sink, make sure that I got anything that I may have missed off. So this is after, guys. As you can see, it's still showing a little bit. I left it on for 10 minutes. It says you can leave it on an extra 5 minutes. I still have a lot more product. I can see getting quite a few uses out of this, especially if I go down my part at all, but I mainly saw it around my hairline that I wanted to touch up. To me, it's about the same amount of work as using a box of regular hair dye. Just different application. Like I said, it smells the same texture. Only this one you leave it on for less amount of time because you're doing it, I guess, in more concentrated spots. And as you can see, with stubborn grays like I have, I will have to do it for longer than 10 minutes. With this one, with the brush, I have to be careful not to squirt out too much product. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, comments, please let me know down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.